This is the cell membrane, a thin flexible barrier that surrounds all cells, regulates what enters and leaves the cell. The cell membrane is very flexible and determines what comes in and out of the cell. This is the nucleus. The nucleus contains nearly all the cell's DNA. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. The nuclear envelope is dotted with thousands of nuclear pores, which allows materials to move in and out. These are ribosomes. Ribosomes produce proteins by following coded instructions that come from DNA. Cells that are especially active in protein synthesis often contain large numbers of ribosomes. Here is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Proteins made on the rough ER include those that will be released or selected from the cell, as well as many membrane locations within the cell. Here is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth ER contains collections of enzymes that perform specialized tasks, including the synthesis of membrane lipids and detoxification of drugs. Here is the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and other materials from the ER for storage in this cell or release. Here are the vesicles. Vesicles are a small structure within a cell or extracellular consisting of fluid enclosed by a lipid bilayer. Vesicles contain digestive enzymes and break down food particles. Here are the centrioles. Centrioles help organize cell division and they are located near the nucleus. Here is the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton supports and shapes positioning of the organelles and motility of the cell. Here are the lysosomes. Lysosomes break down lipids, carbs, and proteins into small molecules that can be used by the rest of the cell. Lysosomes perform the vital function of removing junk that might clutter the cell. Here are vacuoles. Vacuoles store materials like water, salts, proteins, and carbs. Here is the mitochondria. The mitochondria converts the chemical energy stored in food into compounds that are made convenient for the cell to use. We have now completed our journey through the animal cell. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells, which means animal cells are large and complex. Animal cells don't contain a cell wall. Instead, they only have a cell membrane. Here is a prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells, unlike eukaryotic cells, are small and simple. Prokaryotic cells don't have a nucleus, so the DNA is found in the cytoplasm.